Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Now in this lecture we will see first shifting theorem. Now what first shifting theorem indicates that if Laplace of f of t is phi of s, then Laplace of e raised to minus at into f of t, this is equals to phi of s plus a. That means when your function is multiplied by e power minus at and you know the Laplace of f of t, then you can find Laplace of e power minus at f of t by using the formula of Laplace of f of t. Only you have to replace s with s plus a. Let us see its derivation first. So Laplace of e power minus at into f of t, this we can write as 0 to infinity using formula. It is e power minus at into e power minus ht into f of t into dt. Okay. Laplace of f of t is 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t dt. So in place of f of t we have e power minus at into f of t. Now this e power minus at we can write after e power minus st also, no problem. So this is equals to, we get 0 to infinity e power. Now if I take minus t common, okay, so it will be minus, in bracket we have s plus a into t into f of t into dt. So by definition this will be equals to phi of s plus a. Okay, by definition what term we are writing here? The term which is in the power of e power minus s t, we omit that and write the rest term. So Laplace of e power minus at into f of t is phi of s plus a. This is your proof. So let us see few questions based on this. The first problem we will see is, if we know that Laplace of f of t is equals to s divided by s square plus s plus 4, then we have to find Laplace of e power minus 3t f of 2t. Okay. So Laplace of f of t is given. First I need to find Laplace of f of 2t. So Laplace of f of 2t will be equals to, we are going to use scale property. So by scale property it is 1 upon a, that is 1 upon 2, into each s is going to be replaced by s upon a. So this is s by 2 the whole square plus s by 2 plus 4. So here we get this 1 by 2 and this s by 2, it will become 1 by 4 s whole divided by, here in denominator we have s square upon 4 plus here it is s upon 2 plus here it is 4. So what we will do, we make the denominator same, so it will be s square plus 2s plus 4 4 the 16 whole divided by 4. So this 4 and this 4 will cancel, and finally I have this is equals to s upon s square plus 2s plus 16. This is Laplace of f of 2t. So we have got Laplace of f of 2t. Now Laplace of e power minus 3t into f of 2t we have to find out. Laplace of e power minus 3t into f of 2t. This is equals to, using first shifting theorem, I will say that each s is going to be replaced by s plus 3. So here it will be s plus 3 divided by, here it is s plus 3 the whole square plus 2 into s plus 3 plus 16. So this gives us s plus 3 whole divided by, this is s square plus 6x plus 9 plus 2s plus 6 plus 16. So this becomes s plus 3 upon, here it is s square plus 6s plus 2s is 8s plus 9 plus 6 15, 15 to the 30, 31, this is 31. So Laplace of e power minus 3t into f of 2t is s plus 3 upon s square plus 8s plus 31, right? Okay. Now let us see few more questions. Find the Laplace transform. Here next question we will take. Find Laplace transform of sine hyperbolic at into sine at. Now you wonder why we take this problem here. We are trying to implement first shifting theorem. So if you see this sine hyperbolic at, I will say that we know this sine hyperbolic at is equals to e power at minus e power minus at whole divided by 2. This is sine hyperbolic at. So I have to find e power sine hyperbolic at into sine at. So therefore here now first I will find Laplace of sine at. Laplace of sine at is a upon s square plus a square. This is the formula for Laplace of sine at. Now as e power at minus e power minus at upon 2 is for sine hyperbolic at. So what I will say that Laplace of sine hyperbolic at into sine at, this will be equal to Laplace of, now sine hyperbolic at we put its value, that is e power at minus e power minus at whole divided by 2 into sine at. So I will take 1 divided by 2 out. It will be Laplace of e power at into sin at minus e power minus at into sin at. So this will become, this is equals to 1 upon 2 Laplace of e power at into sin at is, we will use first shifting theorem. Laplace of sin at is a upon s square plus a square. So using that it is a upon, in place of s I will write s minus a. Okay. Now one thing kindly note that when it is e power at multiplied by some function, you have to replace s by s minus a, and when it is e power minus at, you have to replace s by s plus a. So minus sign replaced with plus sign replaced with minus sign. So here it is e power at, so I will say that s minus a the whole square plus a square, then minus is there, a upon, here in denominator I have s plus a the whole square plus a square. If you want, you can cross multiply and simplify it further, otherwise Laplace you have find out. Now let us do little simplification. So this is 1 by 2, here I have a upon, now if I expand this, I will get s square minus 2as plus a square plus a square. Here I have a upon s square plus 2as plus a square plus a square. So this becomes 1 upon 2 inside we have a upon s square minus 2as plus 2a square, and here I have a upon s square plus 2as plus 2a square. Now I will cross multiply. I can take a common now, so 1 by 2 a we will take common, and when I cross multiply here I will get s square plus 2as plus 2a square, then I have minus s square plus 2as minus 2a square, and in denominator I have s square plus 2a square minus 2as into s square plus 2a square plus 2as. You can understand why I rearranged the denominator. It is now in the form of a minus b into a plus b, so I can use the formula of a square minus b square. So this is 1 by 2 a, now numerator s square cancels, 2a square cancels, and this 2as plus 2as it will become 4as upon, here a square means s square plus 2a square the whole square minus I have 4a square s square, square of this 2as. So this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So my numerator is 2 times a into a square s, and our denominator is here s power 4, a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus, here it is 4a square s square. So plus 4a square s square minus 4a square s square will cancel, and here I have 2a square s divided by s power 4 plus 4a power 4. This is my result for the problem Laplace of sine hyperbolic at into sine at. Okay. So major time is spent in simplifying the problem. Solution of the problem is something simpler, but to expand it, it takes a time. Now let us take one more problem. Problem is show that you can try these problems yourself. Show that Laplace of sine hyperbolic t by 2 into sine root 3 t by 2 is equals to root 3 divided by 2 into s upon s power 4 plus s square plus 1. So solution is given. Okay, solution is given. You have to just write the steps to arrive at this solution. Now again this sine hyperbolic at can be converted in terms of e power t by 2. So I will say that ki sine hyperbolic, first let us see what is sine hyperbolic t by 2. It is e power 1 by 2 t minus e power minus 1 by 2 t and whole divided by 2. This is my sine hyperbolic t by 2. Also Laplace of sine of root 3 divided by 2t is equals to a upon, that is root 3 by 2 upon s square plus a square, that is it will become 3 upon 4. So this is Laplace of sine root 3 by 2t. Now Laplace of sine hyperbolic t by 2 into sine root 3 by 2t. This can be written as Laplace of e power t by 2 minus e power minus t by 2 whole divided by 2 into sine of root 3 by 2t. So 1 by 2 we can take out. Now here I have Laplace of e power t by 2 into sine of root 3 by 2t minus Laplace of e power minus t by 2 into sine root 3 by 2t. So by using first shifting theorem, I will say that this is root 3 by 2 divided by, now my s will replace by s minus half. So this is s minus half the whole square plus it is a upon s square plus a square. So a square is 3 by 4 minus here it is root 3 divided by 2 upon it will be s plus half the whole square plus 3 divided by 4. Now root 3 by 2 is common, so let us take that out. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Inside I have 1 upon, now I will open this bracket, this is s square minus s plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here I have 1 upon root 3 by 2, so I have taken common. So here I have s square plus s plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this is equals to, now this is root 3 by 2. This 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1. So it is 1 upon s square minus s plus 1 minus 1 upon s square plus s plus 1. This is equals to root 3 by 2. Now I will cross multiply s square plus s plus 1 minus, in bracket I will write s square minus s plus 1 and whole divided by, here in denominator we have s square minus s plus 1 in one bracket and s square plus s plus 1 in other bracket. Now if you open this bracket, this s square will cancel. This is plus s and then minus 1. So I have s plus s is 2s divided by here. What I can say that this is s square plus 1 minus s. I will rearrange so that again a plus b into a minus b formula we will use. So this is s square plus 1 plus s. So now it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So you will write this as root 3 divided by 2. Here it is 2s. Now this 2 I can cancel. Here it is s square plus 1 the whole square minus s square. So this 2 and this 2 we cancel. What we have to prove, let us see again. We have to prove this is root 3 divided by 2 s upon s square s power 4 plus s square plus 1. Okay, 1 2 is missing. Okay, I will check again. But first let us see what else we are getting. Here it is root 3. Here it is s upon, now this is s power 4 plus 2s square plus 1 minus s square. So this is root 3 into s upon s power 4 plus s square plus 1. So s upon s square plus s plus 1, this we have got root 3 by 2. Okay, this is missing. So let us check where we have done a mistake. 1 by 2, okay, here it is. Root 3 by 2 is here. So root 3 by 2 we have taken common. Okay, so this 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 is not root 3 by 2, it is root 3 by 4. Okay, so it is root 3 by 4. This is root 3 divided by 4, root 3 divided by 4, and then it will cut and we will get 2. So now I have root 3 divided by 2, root 3 divided by 2 into s upon s power 4 plus s square plus 1. Okay, let us see a few more questions. Okay, now I will take a question. Find Laplace transform of cos 2t into sin t divided by e power t. Now again you can observe that this is of the type of sin. Okay, e power minus t means if I move this e power t from denominator, it will be e power minus t. So again first shifting theorem we can apply here. So before applying first shifting theorem, we should know what is the Laplace transform of cos 2t into sin t. So again I will say that we know cos 2t into sin t. Now this is your sin a cos b form, sin t into cos 2t. Sin a cos b is 1 upon 2 sin of a plus b. A plus b means t plus 2t. So 1 upon 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, plus sin a minus b means t minus 2t. So this will become 1 upon 2 sin 3t. T minus 2t is minus t, sin minus t is minus sin t. So minus sin t. So the value of cos 2t sin t is 1 upon 2 sin 3t minus sin t. So therefore Laplace, if I say Laplace of cos 2t into sin t, it will be equal to 1 upon 2 Laplace of sin 3t minus sin t. So this is equal to 1 upon 2, I will write outside. Laplace of sin 3t is 3 upon s square plus 3 square. So 3 square is 9 minus 1 upon s square plus 1. So Laplace of cos 2t sin t is 3 upon s square plus 9 minus 1 upon s square plus 1. This is Laplace of cos 2t sin t. Now we have to find Laplace of cos 2t sin t divided by e power t. So this I will write as Laplace of e power minus t into cos 2t into sin t. So applying first shifting theorem, the result which we got here I will replace in place of s plus 1. So I have this is equals to 1 upon 2 is outside, here it is 3 upon, now s is replaced by s plus 1, so it is s plus 1 square plus 9 minus 1 upon, this is s plus 1 square plus 1. Now let us simplify this. This is equal to 1 by 2. Now you can open the denominator. 3 into, simultaneously I will do both the things, cross multiply and opening of the denominator. So s plus 1 the whole square plus 1, if we do, we get s square plus 2s plus 1 and this 1 plus 1 2 I will get. Then minus 1 into, here I will get s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 9 I will get plus 10, and this whole divided by, here in denominator it is s square plus 2s plus 10 in one bracket and s square plus 2s plus 2 in another bracket. So this is equals to 1 upon 2. Now numerator it is 3s square plus 3 to the 6s plus 3 to the 6 minus, here it is s square minus 2s minus 10 divided by, we have denominator is s square plus 2s plus 10 in one bracket and s square plus 2s plus 2 in other bracket. So this is 1 by 2. Now 3s square minus s square is 2s square, 6s minus 2s is plus 4s and 6 minus 10 is minus 4, divided by s square plus 2s plus 10 in one bracket and s square plus 2s plus 2 in other bracket. Now 2 I can take common and I will cut this with 1 by 2. So this I will get as s square plus 2s minus 2 upon s square plus 2s plus 10 into s square plus 2s plus 2. So this is our Laplace of cos 2t sin t upon e power t. Okay, so like this you can solve few more problems. So I recommend that from any standard textbook, take out few more problems on this Laplace transform using first shifting theorem and solve it. And yes, you can comment me which problem you want to see me to solve from this topic. Okay, so thank you for being with me in this lecture. Now in the next lecture we will see some more problems, now that is based on evaluation of integrals using this first shifting theorem, and then we will discuss what is second shifting theorem. Thank you again for being with me in this class.